Welcome back to JD Answers. Today I got the BeAngel rear view mirror dash cam with a backup camera. Welcome back everybody. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Select all notifications for upcoming videos. If you are interested in these products, I have links in the description for you to purchase. Alright, now let's start with the unboxing. So let's open it up. Alright, right away you can see the it has the styrofoam for packaging. Remove that. Oh wow, and you got the dash cam right away up front for the mirror part of it. And it has instructions on there. Alright, it has instructions right away. It shows you the diagram on setting up the mirror dash cam. Then you have the dash cam itself and its protective sleeve. Underneath you can see the dash cam on the opposite side of the mirror. Two holders right here and the mic. And it's pretty sturdy there. Alright, so let's see what's next with the unboxing. You got the rear view camera. Let's open the package here. Now the rear camera records at a 1080p recording. Most cameras or budget cameras, they run at a 720, which the video does not come out very well. Especially when they say they have WDR technology, HDR technology, but when you're still running a 720, the picture's not going to come out that great, especially driving at night. This backup camera does come with a red wire, which will make your rear camera a backup camera. And this is great if you don't have that option in your vehicles. This was going to help you there. And the good thing with this camera is that it's waterproof, where it could be installed outside as well next to your license plate. And of course, if you have a hatchback and don't want to install the camera outside, you could put this on the back window. Now it does include the mounts for the rear dash cam, where you can install it. You could use the 3M mount, or you could use the screws to install it to the frame itself. Then of course you have the power cable, which is a mini USB, which is pretty standard for the front camera to give it power. You also have additional mounts here for the rear view camera to give it more supports. They actually give you 3 larger ones and 2 smaller with that. And of course it comes with the user manual. Gives you everything you need to install the camera. Alright, that's the unboxing for the BeAngel rear view mirror camera. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. If this video was helpful, please give me that thumbs up, because I might appreciate that from you. If you're interested in purchasing these items, I listed links in the description down below to purchase. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Select all notifications for all upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.